Ever wondered how to make your garden flourish with minimal effort? Welcome to the world of gardening, an oasis of calm and a realm of beauty. Gardening isn't just about having pretty flowers. It's a journey, a way to connect with nature, and a source of immense satisfaction. In this video, we'll walk you through some essential gardening techniques that will make your journey easier and more rewarding. So whether you're a seasoned gardener or a newbie, we've got you covered. Let's unravel the secrets to a thriving garden. Before you begin, understanding your garden's unique characteristics is crucial. Just like people, every garden has its own personality, influenced by the soil, sunlight, and water it receives. Let's start with the soil. Knowing your soil type helps you select the right plants and provide them with the necessary nutrients. You can easily determine your soil type through a simple soil test, available at most garden centers or online. Next, sunlight. Does your garden bask in full sun, partial shade, or maybe it's shrouded in deep shade? Different plants have different sunlight needs, and placing them in the right spot is key to their growth. Water, the lifeblood of your garden, should never be overlooked. Some plants love a good drench, while others prefer their roots on the drier side. Understanding your garden's water requirements can prevent overwatering or underwatering. Knowing your garden is the first step to becoming a successful gardener. Now, you're ready to decide what to plant. Choosing the right plants is like matchmaking. You're pairing plants with their perfect environment, considering the garden's characteristics, your personal preferences, and the local climate. Let's break it down. Garden characteristics are key. Consider the soil type, the amount of sunlight, and the space available. For instance, succulents thrive in well-drained soil and full sun, while ferns prefer shady spots and moist soil. Next, think about your personal preferences. Love cooking? Herbs like basil, rosemary, and thyme are wonderful choices. Prefer bright blooms? Marigolds, sunflowers, and dahlias are delightful. Finally, factor in your local climate. Some plants like lavender adore the heat, while others, such as hostas, fare better in cooler climates. Perfect for beginners are plants like tomatoes, zinnias, and snake plants. They're forgiving, easy to grow, and provide a rewarding gardening experience. Remember, the right plant in the right place makes all the difference. With your plants chosen, it's time to get your hands dirty. The thrill of planting begins with the basics. Start by digging a hole. This hole should be twice as wide and just as deep as the root ball of your plant. This extra space gives the roots room to spread and grow, setting the stage for a healthy, thriving plant. Once the hole is ready, it's time to place your plant. Carefully remove the plant from its container, taking care not to damage the roots. Gently place the plant in the hole, checking that the top of the root ball is level with the ground. Now, backfilling. This is where you replace the soil you initially removed. Fill in the hole around the plant, firming the soil as you go to eliminate air pockets. Air pockets can dry out the roots and cause your plant to struggle, so make sure to press the soil down lightly but firmly. And finally, the baptism of every plant, watering. This is crucial immediately after planting. It helps to settle the soil and hydrate your new plant. Water thoroughly, ensuring the water reaches deep into the ground to encourage the roots to grow downwards. So we've dug, placed, backfilled, and watered. Each step as important as the last, each contributing to the future success of your plant. With those steps, you're on your way to creating a lush, beautiful garden. Now let's recap what we've learned today. We've embarked on a green journey together, starting by understanding our own unique garden spaces. Remember, it's all about observing and learning from nature's cues. Sunlight, soil type, and local climate are the key players in our gardening story. Next came the exciting part, choosing the right plants. We learned how it's not just about what catches our eye at the nursery, but also about what our garden can sustain and what will thrive in our unique environment. Then, we delved into the heart of gardening, planting techniques. From the right way to prepare the soil to the best method for planting seeds and seedlings, we've covered it all. We've also stressed on the importance of regular care and maintenance to ensure our plants grow healthy and strong. With these techniques, you're well equipped to start your gardening journey. Happy gardening!